So we got new oil filter, new belts from Gates, water pump, timing belt with new tensioners, and we also gonna change the crank pulley seal. Okay, so we're gonna drain the whole coolant system, and as you can see,
oh sorry.
as you can see here, the water pump is also like corroded with coolant. That's one of the reasons why we're changing the water pump, and the water pump was also leaking.
Right. It's just still going, it's so funny. Yes, clean up your mess.
Whoa, not fall. No falling. Okay, that's one of the two hoses that needs to go off. So yeah, the main reason why we're doing this is just because the water pump is leaking. But we bought this car about 3 years ago, and we basically have zero information about the last time the timing belt got replaced. So that's why we're also doing all of this.
A bit of water. Then I will move back. That is pink.
Bro, what the
See? Like this.
Now I can pull it off. See?
Wow.
It radiated out. What? 20 minutes?
Quote of the day: don't give up because something doesn't work. Find other ways to complete it. Yeah.
Oh, look at this. Look how crusty it is. What the...
Mm-hmm.
So definitely gonna replace these with new ones. Okay, so as you can see, the previous owner did put a new radiator in, but this one is not OEM and it's a bit skinnier than the original one. But for now, the temps are normal when drifting, so I'm not worried about the radiator. And this is how the car looks like without the radiator. The amount of space you get here now is insane. So we're gonna take off all the belts, the water pump, the timing belt cover, and then put the new belts back in, and the cover too, and also put it on timing, on the correct timing, so that we don't mess up my engine, because otherwise we need to buy a new engine. Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna unscrew the bolts and then take all the belts off. Okay. Oh wait, I'm such a monkey. Ta-da! The water pump belt is officially off.
That was so unnecessary. He did nothing to you.
Otherwise, problem.
Yeah.
Oh, are you kidding me? Great, great,
It's just not moving.
great.
Dat is niet zo moeilijk. Hier zo. Kijk voor deze. Dit is jouw kering.
Okay, so we managed to get the timing belt off, and now we're gonna swap the seals here. And this is the old belt. Can throw this away. And we are missing one seal, it's coming tomorrow. Just remove this seal and the rest we will do. And I will clean it up here and the rest we will do tomorrow. Or the water pump, I can also install the water pump.
Van inside out.
Hm?
Van binnenuit. Ja. Daar is iets extra. Krak.
Is het bij de tanden zit, dat die haar in de...
Zie.
So we just cleaned out the engine, all the grease and oil is gone here. And now we're gonna remove the water pump. Wow! With the old seal. Here we got the new water pump with a brand new gasket. And it shall not leak anymore after installing this.
You focused it on your hands. And
Water pump is officially installed. Good morning, it's day 2. This will be the last day. I mean, I hope we can finish this today. We just need to replace the crank seal and then we can put the timing belt back together. Let's get back to work. Okay, so the new seal came in, but I'm not 100% sure if it's the same size. Okay, by the look of it, it's not the same size.
uh-oh.
Yeah, it's not the same size. So we can't replace the seal. Okay, so the seal that I bought is not the same size as the top one seal, and in the store it said it's the same size. So I'm gonna return it and order a new one from a different store. But I can put the tensioner back in, and we could also do the spark plugs change. So we can do that now. So this goes between there. Okay, so the final part finally arrived, and that means that I can finally finish the timing belt. So just need to replace this crank seal, and then I can put the timing belt on and all the other new belts. This is the final part we need, and I already test fitted it and it fits, so nothing to worry about anymore. And also during the filming of this episode, I got this quick sneak peek. That to see that, you need to watch the next upcoming video after this one. Okay, this seal was a disaster to get out. I literally needed to punch a hole in it and pick it out. And it finally worked. I hope I didn't damage anything. I was actually using this tool and then just pinch in the rubber and got it out. Okay, the crank seal is finally installed, and that means we can put all of this back in the car, the timing belt back on, tighten all it, and then check if the timing is still right. And after that, I will replace the cover gasket too, so because it's leaking there, and I also wanted to repaint the cover at the same time. The timing belt is finally back on. After 1 week, I finally got the timing belt back in the car. I literally can't wait to start the car. But first, I really need to tighten every single bolt on the right Newton meters. I also got a new radiator. It's a thick aluminum, full aluminum radiator. Look at the thickness difference before and after. So that will also look very cool in the engine bay. Let's go! Okay, I just checked the engine, the timing, and everything is top dead center aligned. So after 1 week, I finally managed to complete my timing belt because of one part they sent me wrong. Okay, so all the belts are back in the car and now it's time to put the radiator in. But first we need to put all the fans and the back of the radiator on the new radiator. Okay, so the timing belt and all the other belts are finally installed. And now it's time to install the final part, and that's the rocker cover gasket. Because it's all like leaking oil through here. So that's the final part, the rocker cover gasket. Then put some coolant into the radiator. Okay, gonna replace those seals real quick and give it a clean, deep clean, so it looks all nice and shiny again. And if you're wondering how the cams look like of over 1G FE, this is it. This is how they look like. Okay, it's the moment of truth now, and let's see if the car will start. Oh, what the fuck? I was literally thinking, why is nothing working? But then I forgot I disconnected the battery. So let me do that real quick. Okay, let's put the battery back on. It's a manual, okay. Oh, are you kidding me? Okay, let's try one more time. Damn, she runs beautiful! She runs very beautiful, and I'm kind of deaf here in the garage, right? Not gonna lie. Like the echo in this garage is insane with this loud exhaust. But overall, everything runs. It runs good. I still didn't check if it runs on temperature because I don't have enough coolant. I'm gonna fix it tomorrow. I think that's it for today, and I will see you tomorrow morning when I put new coolant in it. Okay, so the car has been running for about 15-20 minutes now, and I don't see any oil leaks and no coolant leaks. So, and I don't hear any weird noises, so it means I did a good job. So, it is a bit steamy though, but because I spilled a bit of coolant next to it. So, but for now, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you next time. Peace.